I'm Brighton Schwartz. I'm a senior in high school. I plan on attending Clarkson University, and I intend to major in aeronautical and mechanical engineering, so I'm doing a dual major.
My name is Jeanette Campbell. I'm also a senior. I'm going to be attending Worcester Polytechnic Institute and join the Navy RATC program. I will be studying mechanical and or chemical engineering.
I'm Colin Cragen. I'm a senior, and I'm going to be going to RIT for mechanical engineering.
I'm Ian Krell. I'm also a senior, and I'm going to be going to RIT for civil engineering technologies.
Well, generally, it certainly gave us criteria to follow and better goals to work for, I guess. Everything was well defined, and we were able to allocate our time and schedule ourselves that way. And similarly, the way the organizational structure all was, it really helped us divide up all of our work, everything that would have otherwise gone uncategorized.
One of the really nice things about it was as Brighton mentioned before, the grading rubric. It helped set the team goals as to what we wanted to shoot for realistically. In some elements we said we can get a 5 on this, and in some elements we said that's not our greatest strength. So we were able to, through the rubric and the examples, really place ourselves and see what realistically we could do and do the best we could so that we could show our progress to everybody else and still perform well through the grade.
Not only that, but the areas where it didn't look like we were as strong as other areas, it helped us to determine where we needed to put more of our efforts on the project.
It also helped us keep all of our information in one area, so that way we could reference what we had done previously to what we were doing now, so it kept us good chronological order of the events we were taking.
Well, in particular, there was some examples about how to better write as an engineer, the kind of structuring the sentences we should use, the kind of technical description we needed, the use of annotated diagrams, that sort of thing. So more along the lines of structure and that, but it certainly helped us develop our engineering notebooks better. And ultimately, we now write better for it and are able to describe our progress and our solutions that we've now created much better.
There were some aspects, such as in element D with the matrices and things like that, where they were able to look at our matrices and tell us what aspects of them we needed more technical things in, because besides our engineering professor or teacher, we didn't have anybody else to look at our matrices, so it was great for 9 or 10 other different engineers to look at them and tell us, hey, this is not that technical, or hey, you should have calculation for this. So it really helped us out to fine-tune some of the technical design process that we were taught to follow at the beginning of the year.
Yeah, getting feedback from other people who we don't see every day and who are coming from an outside perspective on our project, it really helps you to see, okay, this part of our project and the way we're describing it in the innovation portal makes sense to other people, and these parts of our whereas other parts of our project might not make as much sense because we're not explaining things as clearly. So getting feedback on the innovation portal really helps you to better explain your ideas to other people.
Yeah, it helped because more than one person was just looking at it, so it wasn't like a normal classroom setting where it was just one person looking at it and giving you their feedback. It was a whole bunch of different people, so you could get a lot of different feedback, so you could get a lot of different sources.